Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. In this video, I wanted to share with you 5 uncommon garden things. Just 5 things that I think, one or the other, that you should consider incorporating in your garden. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. The first uncommon garden consideration is paint. For example, in this case, the block wall is painted kind of like a terracotta orange color. You could paint it black. It adds a little bit of something. Or maybe you have old concrete that has faded. You don't have the budget to completely replace it. What if you painted it or restained it some sort of color just to switch it up a bit? The second garden consideration is to add some sort of water feature. Now, in this case, this particular fountain flows through the garden. It's soothing, it's something visually interesting to look at. It provides water for the local birds to drink from. And in some cases, and I know this would be true for me, the sound of water is really relaxing and soothing, especially at night. Now, the next garden consideration, the third, is if you have the space, collect rainwater. You can use that rainwater to water your edible plants with, or to do whatever it is you want with, or water parts of the garden that need a little bit extra from time to time. And collecting rainwater means that it's not running off and you're putting it to good use. The fourth garden consideration is to use large boulders, in this case to not only add interest to the landscape, but also because for this particular boulder that you see, the top of it is fairly flat, which means one person could comfortably sit here. It adds a pop of interest and it provides extra seating for the garden. Lastly, number 5, use edibles with ornamentals. So the plant ground cover that you see in front of the boulder is an edible California native strawberry. All the plants around it are not. You can, in some instances, if done right, mix edible plants with non-edible plants and still achieve a beautiful garden that gives you everything that you need.